Yeah, hello guys. I'm Sunil. Today we'll speak about cursors in collection framework. Okay, cursors means we have enumeration, iterator, and list iterator. Okay, so we'll speak about in detail about these three cursors and what are the use cases of it. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
So cursors, right? I'll try to complete bit. Uh, I'll try to complete this topic in half an hour. Okay. Yeah.
sure.
I want to wrap up for today because I need to go to office for first day. I need to go bit early today. Yeah. And this is very important concept, guys. Okay. Yeah.
So in collection only,
Huh?
cursors. Cursors is a part of collection.
Yeah, cursors is a part of collection. Then why I will teach you here? I'll tell you why we'll go for cursors. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ah, oh my god, what is this?
Currently, maybe it's already one tab is open.
Oh,
See, Eclipse.
yeah, thank you.
So,
And last class, remember guys, this hash table I kept it T as capital. It's giving me some syntax error.
yeah.
It blocked me for 2 to 3 minutes actually. Yeah. So please remember this. Okay, hash table. Okay. Yeah. Guys, if you take an array list, okay. Okay, if you take an array list of type anything integer, something, okay, anything, any array list, okay, without generic also, okay. Right? Suppose if there are some numbers in this list, okay, guys, okay, uh, okay, and and, uh, suppose I want to, sum up all these numbers, guys. So if I directly print, I can't sum up, right? See, I need to extract each and every number, right, guys? You got this point, right? Suppose if I print like this, AL, I can't do sum, right? See, okay, now I can't do this sum, right, guys? So I need to process this list, right? Is that right, Sumant?
Yes,
So
right.
for that, to process each and every element individually, we'll go for cursors. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. And yeah, there are, as I told, there are multiple elements of cursors. Okay, the first one is enumeration. Okay, now, and each one has its own advantages and own disadvantages. Okay, we'll speak about in detail about these three. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay. See, in interview, they will ask guys, what are cursors in Java? How many cursors are Java? If you tell them what is the advantage of one cursor to other cursor, like that they will ask. Okay, you should be thorough in this topic. Okay, this is a bit easy topic only, but you should remember. See, collection is totally easy, guys. Okay, there is nothing much, but you should be thorough in all the concepts. Okay, what is linked hash map? What is hash map? What is hash table? Then you should go for hash table. Then you should go for the vector. Okay, no, in linked list. What is the difference? Okay, these things you should be aware. Okay. Suppose if we want to process, suppose guys, is my voice is audible?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
suppose if we want to process each element, each element, and do multiple operations on them. then you should go for cursors. Okay. Okay, now guys. There are there are three types of cursors are there. What are they, guys?
Enumerator.
Exactly. Enumerator, iterator, mistake detector. Okay. So we'll go by one. Okay, na?
Yeah.
So it is not about enumerator, it is enumeration. Okay. Spelling mistake. Yeah. So first, what is enumeration? Okay. Guys, cursor means something which you want to process one by one element. Okay, guys.
Yes, Sunil.
Okay, na. Yeah. So let me write some points. See this enumeration. Okay. This can be used. This can be used to get objects. See, any collection is a group of objects, right, guys?
Correct.
To get objects, okay, one by one. From the collection. Okay. One from the from the legacy collection. Okay. Guys, in so basically legacy means which are introduced in the old versions, guys. Okay. So in the list hierarchy, our vector is only the legacy class. Okay. Vector and stack, guys. Okay. Yeah, vector and
Vector and
stack. Exactly. So this enumeration can be applied on legacy classes only. Okay.
Any reason is there? Yeah, why only for the legacy classes? Why not for
Yeah,
array?
basically at that time they have come up with this concept. Okay, like further, so they have made in this way. Nothing is the reason. Okay, legacy collection objects. Okay, okay, na? So we can we can we can create enumeration by using elements method, guys. Okay, elements method. Elements method. So this can be applied on only vector and stack. This cursor will be applied on only vector and stack. Okay, guys. Okay. So you should create like vector something b equal to okay new vector, right? This is the object, right, guys? So let us assume you have added some numbers to it. Okay. So you can create enumeration object like in this way, guys. Enumeration. Okay, enumeration e equal to v dot elements, guys. Is that fine? Sumant.
Yes, Sunil. Yeah.
And enumeration has it only two methods, guys. Okay, now what is that? Has more element and next element. Okay, has more element and next element.
Okay.
See, once we go through the example and you'll get a clarity. Okay,
Okay.
enumeration interface defines two methods. Two methods. Okay, so let us write the syntax of that method. Okay, what is that? Public boolean has more elements. What is that? Has more elements. Second one, public object next element. Okay, guys. See, these are two methods which we have on the enumeration interface. Okay. So let us see how these methods can be used and how to create a cursor out of it. Okay, na? Okay, guys. Sumant, is that fine?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So let us create an object for vector. Vector b equal to new vector, right? Guys, in the project level, this is cursors is very important concept. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. Suppose let us assume okay b dot see how to add an element to vector. Sumant, what are the methods? In the last class, I told you two methods. One is specific to vector and one is specific to list. Exactly. We'll go with add element. Okay, na?
Yes.
V dot add element. See, add is there, add all is there, add element is there. Okay, add element. Okay, na? Something like this. Okay, V dot anything. See, this morning class are very peaceful, guys, right? Very feeling very free, right? Huh?
Yes, yes.
Relax feeling into it. Okay, we have added some elements. Now we'll create the cursor. Okay,
Yeah.
out of it. Okay, how to create this cursor?
Enumeration.
Exactly. Enumeration. Any object you can give. Enumeration.
Enumeration.
Enumeration E equal to
Equal to V dot.
V dot elements. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, na? So, first in the while loop, you should check whether that enumeration. See, all these elements in the vector will come to this object. Okay.
Check. Okay.
By using this enumeration object will traverse. Okay. Okay. See, by using E, we'll check has more elements. అంటే already దాంట్లో ఉన్నాయా still. Okay. If there are, we'll go inside. Okay. If there is no element, we'll just go outside. Okay. Right. Now I want to add sum of all the numbers. Okay, guys.
Sum equal to 0.
And sum equal to sum plus how to write next element, guys. What is that? Next element. Okay. See, let me tell you that concept as well. Sum equal to sum plus
E
E
dot.
dot next element. Exactly. And this should be typecast to integer, guys. Okay. So basically, what I told, this next element is of type object, right, guys?
Yeah.
So you should typecast to integer. Okay, na? So that's it. Okay, na? See, by using this, I was able to process each and every element, and I was able to sum up. And if you want to, I can check like how many even numbers are there, how many prime numbers are there, how many Armstrong numbers. So multiple operations I can do by using enumeration. Okay, na?
Got it.
Okay. This out. Sum, guys. That's very important concept. Okay, na?
In project level, they will use.
See, that's it, right? Okay, now we'll speak about what are limitations of this enumeration. Okay, na? Obviously there will be some limitations, right?
Yes.
Because of this only we'll go for second cursor, right? Third cursor, like that. Definitely. So you should know about, okay, na? Limitations. చెప్పగలరా ఏమైనా?
We cannot do write operations. Cannot push elements again. Right?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, this will be applied for only for legacy classes. అంటే you cannot apply on list and you cannot apply on linked list like that. Okay, na? See, by using enumeration, by using this, you can have only read access, but you don't have a remove access, right? Right, guys? You don't have any remove access. Am I correct, guys?
Right.
So to overcome these limitations, okay, to overcome these limitations, so basically Sun Microsystems who officially introduced Java. So these Sun people, what they did, okay, they have introduced a new cursor, okay, na? These problems, okay, Sun Microsystems people. This is not Microsoft, okay, this is different company, okay, na? Sun Microsystems, okay. Sun Microsystems introduced iterator concept in 1.2 version, okay, na? Right, guys? Guys, is that fine?
Yeah.
See, 1.2 means second version, guys. Okay. And now interviews are asking 8 and above. Okay. Now we have any idea, guys? What is the latest Java version? Recently, 3 to 4 months back, it came actually. చెప్తావరా రామకృష్ణ
18,
21
21.
21 JDK 21 they have introduced that recently. And see, this is the second version. Just this is 21 version. See how the days have changed. Okay, let it be. Okay, now we'll go with iterator. Okay, na? Yeah, the important point, guys. Okay, we can use this. We can use iterator for any collection object. For any collection object. Is that fine, guys? Okay, na? While iterating, while iterating, you can perform read and remove operations, guys. Okay, na? But in enumeration, we can only do read operation, right, guys? And it is applicable for only for legacy classes. Am I correct, guys? Okay, na? Yeah. And we can get iterator object by using iterator method. Okay, na? We can get. See, this is most widely used, guys. Okay, na? Nowadays. Okay, we can get iterator object by iterator method only. Guys, can you tell me like how to get that enumeration object? Which method? Which method? Elements method. Exactly. Right, Ramakrishna. So see, you should get the syntax is iterator, I is capital, iterator, something, iterator ITR equal to, okay, ITR is your own choice. And you should be like C dot iterator, okay. Iterator is a method. So that's why you should write in a capital, small letter, okay. Small case, everything, okay, na. So in this way, okay, na. And we have methods like has next, okay. So public boolean has next in this iterator interface. Okay, we have the methods like public boolean has next. See, guys, this has next will check whether there is element in the next or not. Okay, and public boolean next. So it will print the it will give you the element, guys. Okay, na? A public object next, guys. Okay, na? Next. Sumant, are you there? and then public void remove. Okay, na?
Yes, Sunil. Clear.
Okay. So, so now we'll go with a program on a list. So in this, we'll remove, see, we'll feed, we'll fill all the numbers, okay, like 1 to 10 numbers or 1 to 100 numbers, okay, to the list, okay. Now we'll display only even numbers, guys, and we'll remove odd numbers, okay. Na? So we'll try that example, guys, okay. Na?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now we'll declare an array list. Guys, please remember this iterator can be applied on any collection. Okay. Not only list, anything you can apply, guys. Okay. Na? You can try for different collections, okay, in your free time. Okay.
Yeah.
How to add an element to list, guys? Array list. How to add an element, guys?
Dot
Uh,
add.
Exactly. Add method. Ante. Yeah. So let us take this as AL. Okay.
Right.
Na?
Hmm.
Now, guys, Sumant,
Iterator.
you tell me. Yeah,
Iterator.
yeah. How to create a iterator object? Iterator, exactly. Iterator,
And
ITR
given
equal to
any name equal to new.
AL dot iterator.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that's it. Okay, now. Now,
Hmm.
what is that ITR dot has next? Okay, guys. See, guys, if you draw on the paint, the cursor initially at some index, not at zero index, guys. It will be before to zero, right? Okay, so it will check, okay, next element is there or not in zero. So it will print. Again, it will move cursor to zero to check one is there or not. If it will print one, index at one, then the the number which is present at index at one. Okay, and it will check like that. Okay, na? You got it right, guys? Let me open the
Yeah.
paint. See, there is something called offset, guys. Okay, okay, na? So here something called offset. Okay, like this, and here this is index zero. Okay, index one and index two. So your cursor at here before, okay, at offset level, okay, it will check my zero has an element or not. Okay, then it will move to it will print and it will move to zero. It will check my one has element or it will move to one and print like that, guys. Okay, na?
Got it.
Got it right. So while tell me while ITR dot has next, right, guys?
Yes. Right. Dot
But
have.
in that one in enumeration we have seen IT E dot has more elements. Am I correct?
Yes.
So you please try to remember that method. If it is, okay.
Then we have to next.
Hmm. So extract each and every element, check whether it is even or odd. If it is odd, remove it. Okay, na? So this remove operation is not there in enumeration. Okay, guys. Else ITR dot remove, guys. That's it. Okay. Okay, na? Just after this loop, you try you see first we'll run it then. Okay. Okay, guys. See. Now after this loop, just try to print that. Okay, that what what is that iterator? Okay, na? Sorry, list, not it. This error list. Okay. Yeah. Okay, na? Guys, is that fine, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we'll see this limitations also. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Limitations of yeah, both enumeration and iterator are single direction cursors only. Only. Okay. That is, we can always move in a forward direction. Okay, na? We can always move in a forward direction, guys. Okay.
Okay.
We can't go by backward direction. Okay.
Backward.
Don't move in backward direction. Okay, guys. And one more thing, we have done with iterator, we have done read and remove, right? We haven't done replace, right? Okay. Something like triple R, you remember? Okay. Okay. So in list iterator, you can replace also. Okay, na? Triple R. Okay. Read, remove, replace. Okay.
Okay.
And not only replace, you haven't perform add operation also. If you want to add a new element, okay. So that's also limitation only, guys. If you want to add a new element, okay, that is also not possible in iterator. Okay, possible. Okay, guys. So now we'll see this triple R and add method. Okay, am I correct?
Yeah.
See, this list iterator can be used for only for list, guys. Okay, na? It is not applicable for any some other collection. Okay, na? Okay. Yeah. So what are the child class of list? Array list, linked list. Okay. So only for child class of list it will apply. Okay, na? Is that right? See, the name itself is only making sense, right?
List iterator.
Exactly. So you can create list iterator by object, sorry, by method list iterator only. Okay, na? List iterator. Okay, na? List iterator li equal to okay c dot list iterator. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Now let us try that example. Okay, na?
Sure, sir.
See, we'll just apply on the same thing only. Okay, na? List Iterator li equal to al dot, what is that? List iterator, andra?
Yes.
Okay. So again, same methods, guys. Okay, na? Has next to next index, has previous index, remove, set to add. Okay. Let me write those methods fastly. What is that? Has next, next we already seen, and next index, next index. Yeah, okay. Next index, previous, previous, yeah, previous index. These all methods are not important, but for as I need to teach, I'm teaching. Okay, remove. Okay, this is important. Set. Okay, add. Okay, na? Okay, guys. So let us see some examples. Okay, na? See, guys. Let me fix to size 10 only. So my thing is wherever 5 is there, I need to replace with 55, guys. Okay, na? So we'll see this remove operation is working or not. Okay, na? While itr dot as next. Okay, sorry, it's li, yeah. If my I equals to 5, okay, guys, I equal to 5, okay, li dot set of 55, okay, na? You got my point, right? Suppose if my I equal to 7, I need to remove that 7, guys, okay, na?
Okay.
So these things, set means you are just replacing, right? Okay, remove
Yes.
means you are just removing, right? Tripler,
Yeah.
I told, and read means you're just reading in line 17, you are replacing in line 19, and you are removing in line 22, okay, na? So tripler operations are performed, okay, na? Yeah, like that. Okay, so just print that list, okay, guys. Uh, yeah,
And
error list name.
yeah.
See, guys, okay, na? 7 is removed, 55 is replaced, okay, na? Guys, actually, there is one more example, to traverse in a backward direction. That one, previous and previous all. We'll see in the next class. I'm running out of time. That is one small thing, and we'll go with the tomorrow implementations. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, na? Okay. So the cursor's almost completed. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. And let me stop sharing screen.